Hey folks, this is a comparison of two reusable latex gloves. The ones on the left here are from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, $1. This pair is from Harbor Freight Tools, Hardy, under this number here. And you've got two pairs in one package for $2, although of course they always have that 20% off coupon, so you're really getting them for less. Here's a comparison of the two. Okay, they're both textured, you can see. So if you're washing glassware or that sort of thing, which I use them for, in the 3-sink method where you're kind of like going down like this and you don't want them to slip out of your hand, they're pretty good. The only thing is, okay, so I just used these for the first time yesterday at work using that that method, and they worked really well. Like this texture, this web design here worked really well for gripping the gloves. Plus they're thinner. These gloves are thinner than these, and I'm thinking that that might have also helped me to grip the glasses better. However, they are thinner, so when you take them off, I can already tell that when I take these on and off, which I do regularly at work because I have to take my hands out of the gloves in order to keep serving food and stuff. While I'm washing these, when I take them off, they're gonna rip. I can tell already. Like they're gonna rip while I'm taking them off. Part of that has to do with the size, I think, but mostly it has to do with the thickness of the material. Now this material does stretch pretty well, and that's nice. It's pretty stretchy, but this is definitely thinner than this. This is a heavier gauge glove. This doesn't stretch as much, but I'm probably going to get more uses out of this. So what I would say, for my purposes only, and from what I've done so far, these are going to be great for cleaning. These are going to be good for doing my glassware and holding on to stuff because of the thinner texture. The thinner consistency, giving me a better grip. These are going to be more durable. So if I'm using an SOS pad or something like that, a scouring pad, this is going to work really well. If I'm just trying to protect my hands from the detergent that I'm using in my glass cleaning technique, these are going to be better. And it's good that these come two in a pair because these are going to rip eventually, I can tell. I'll let you know in the future how many uses I get out of them approximately. I've only just started using these. These tend to last me for heavy cleaning, I'd say 10 uses, maybe 12 uses, something like that, before a hole usually develops somewhere in here usually, and or a hole in the fingers or something like that. But that may also have to do with the surfaces that I'm cleaning. Some of them are sharp metal edges and sometimes they get pierced, but it also has to do with wear at the weak spots. So that's my review. I would say that go to Dollar Tree, get these for $1. They're called Scrub Buddies. That's the brand. These are Hardy. You get these at Harbor Freight Tools. They're about the same price. These are going to be better for gripping. These are going to be better for general cleaning, or hard cleaning, I should say. So with that being said, give me a like if you liked the video. Give me a dislike if you didn't. And subscribe, please. That helps the channel, and maybe I can quit my day job and I won't need these gloves anymore. Wouldn't that be something? And then, comment down below. Give me questions. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I hope this helps somebody out there, and I hope you all have a great, great day. Take care.